It's time for another Sunday shout out and mail call episode, and we've got 11 packages today, so let's get into them. Hey everyone, before I get started on it, I just want you to know I'm a little bit under the weather and my allergies are acting up, so forgive me if my energy level is not where it needs to be during this video. That being said, let's open some packages. First up is a mystery package. I've been getting one a week of these. Let's see what it is. It's really cool. It's got a note this time and a $2 note with a panda stamp on it. All it says is, sorry it's not a lot. Can only send so much at the moment. Trying to support the channel as much as I can, as it's a great one for sure. Keep up the great videos. Wow, who's ever sending that? I appreciate the support. You know what? You don't need to send me anything. I will continue to put out videos. And if you watch them, I appreciate that all in itself. You don't need to send me anything. But I'll definitely take a $2 bill, always. So thank you very much. Next up is another mystery package. It has a return address on the other side, so I won't show it. But let's see what it is. So we've got a card from Cross. It just says, thank you. Hi Rob, my name is Cross. I am 9 years old. I'm addicted to your channel and coin collecting. So I wanted to give you a semi-key date coin. Yours sincerely, Cross. And take a look at this coin. A 1950 Denver. Beautiful. Definitely take a 1915 D wee penny all day, Cross. Thank you for the kind words and the nice card. And this is my key date coin. Next up is an envelope from Michael Hargis. So Michael Hargis, guys, look at this. Hello, Robin Charlani. Just a quick note to say thanks for all your hard work. Love your channel, streams, and videos. They're packed with information, knowledge, and oftentimes all-out comedy. This is the ingredients to fun, family fun. I'm fairly sure that's why you and Charlani have such awesome viewers. What Spring Christine donated to the kids a couple of weeks ago was epic. It spurred me to do more than sit back and watch. Now it's my turn to give back. Please use the donation for anything you see fit. Something to help you to keep coming to us. Thanks again, Robin Charlani. See you in the stream. Best regards, Michael Hargis. And guys, look what he sent. He sent me a $100 bill. And Michael, that is way too generous of you. I'll pick out something dandy for my stream giveaways, and we'll have some fun using this to pick out some great giveaways for the community. You didn't need to do this at all, brother. You did not need to do this, but thank you so much for the kind words and the epic generosity towards me and Charlani, the stream, and the community. Thank you, Michael Hargis. Next up is a package from Hockey Arcade and Coins. So Hockey Arcade and Coins writes, Dear RobFindsTreasure, first of all, happy belated birthday. Thank you, Hockey Arcade and Coins. I've been watching your vids about a year now, and they are really entertaining. You have a wonderful channel, and I really appreciate everything you do, and have a blessed rest of your life. God bless you and your family so much. I have a writing for Charlani below. Please have her reaction for both the coin and the writing below on camera. I will try to do that. She's actually at the grocery store right now, so maybe I'll record her when she gets back, but let me go ahead and read what you wrote to her as well. Dear Charlani TV, I really appreciate you and your time for coins and everything in the coin community. You are a wonderful, kind, pretty person who has a great personality. God bless you and your family so much. And guys, check it out. He sent me a 1920 wheat penny for the giveaway. Really cool of him. A 1944 gold plated for me. A 1962D, beautiful coin for me, probably upgrading my album. A 1970S, it is not the small date, but it is a very nice example of a 70S. And then a couple of birth year pennies, one for me and one for Charlani. Let me see if I can get a clip inserted of Charlani's reaction right here. You got a second to read a letter from Hockey Arcade and Coins?
Sure.
Here you go. And there's a coin.
Are you recording?
I am. So read out loud.
Oh, that is so cool. Dear Charlani TV, I really appreciate you and your time for coins and everything in the coin community. You're a wonderful, kind, pretty person who has great personality. God bless you and your family so much. Thank you. This is awesome. It is a 1975 penny. I love it.
What's cool about a 75 penny?
Thank you so much. That's my birth year.
He's pretty cool.
I love it. Thank you.
Hockey Arcade and Coins, thank you very much for the package. I'll add this 1920 wheat cent for the next giveaway. And hopefully you enjoyed Chalani's reaction to your package and your kind words. Thanks again, brother. Next up is a package from CoinRoll Searcher. So CoinRoll Searcher says, hey Rob, RobFindsTreasure. I wanted to send you some more mail. I sent you a Merc Dime 1942 and another channel sticker. You can keep it or give it away on a live stream. I hope you like what I sent you and happy hunting, CoinRoll Searcher. Guys, real quick, he's got a little channel sticker inside with the Merc Dime. That is really cool. P.S. I'm currently at 581 subscribers and it would be awesome if I could hit 600 by May 26th. We just need 19 of you watching this video who's not currently subscribed to CoinRoll Searcher to give him a subscription. If you could, that would be awesome. CoinRoll Searcher, I love it. I'll probably give away the dime on a live stream. Compliments of you. I like the package that it's in. It's kind of cool. So I'll probably send it as a little package like that. The sticker, I have one, but if I don't have this one, I think I have this one, but if I don't, I'm keeping it. If I do, we'll give it away as well. Thanks again, CoinRoll Searcher, for the awesome giveaway package and the very cool channel sticker. Next up, Dane Post. So Dane sent a pretty cool little message here. He just wrote, Rob, I just wanted to say thank you so much for putting me in your video. He has an Instagram called Dirt Biker Dane. So I guess it's Dirt Biker Dane on Instagram. I'll try to find the link and put it down below. I like to sell coins on there that can be collected. I hope you have an amazing day. On your next video, can you please make it a quarter box hunt? If you watched it, I just did one the other day, Dane. So great minds think alike. I'll include your Instagram down below. Sounds like you like dirt biking and you like to sell some coins. So, you know, I'll be checking it out. Thanks again, Dane, for the package. Appreciate it, brother. And happy hunting to you, my friend. Next up, Michael Hargis already said that he was stunned by her generosity. And we've got another package from Spring Christine. Spring Christine gave me some goodies, guys. Hey, Rob, just for fun, some nickel and a bar of silver. Your friend and fellow coin fanatic, Spring Christine. First and foremost, check out this little mini 1 gram bar of silver. I love it. 3/9's fine. It's got a beautiful eagle on it. And it's made by Silvertown, a very reputable silver bar making company. That is awesome. And look at this. Stony iron meteorite fragment from the Sahara Desert in Morocco. It is magnetic. It just isn't quite strong enough to lift the weight of the package, but it is magnetic. That's really cool. Then we've got iron nickel meteorite fragment from Campo del Cielo, Argentina. And this guy is very magnetic. Whew. Very nice. And then iron nickel from a meteorite fragment in Sukhot, Alin, Siberia, Russia. Again, very magnetic. Very cool. What a cool case, too. So I've got 3 meteorite fragments, all iron and nickel fragments in there. And how cool is that? These came from out of this world. Unbelievable. Spring Christine, you never cease to amaze me. You've given away goodies to the community, goodies to the children, goodies to me. If you guys haven't checked out Spring Christine's channel, she's just now starting to do a lot of videos. I know I'm a subscriber and I've commented on some. Please check her out as well. Next up is a package from Shadow Knight. So Shadow Knight writes, Dear Rob and Chalani, I'll keep this letter short. Within this letter, I have placed 2 baggies, one with coins and a small bullion for Rob. The other is an assortment of crystals that I've collected that are for Charlani. And guys, here's the bag with the bullion and assortment of coins for me. I can't wait to open this up and take a look inside. I saw a wheat penny. I see a kind of a clean 1996, probably an odd one. And really cool fine copper, 5 gram bar. We've also got the assortment of crystals for Charlani, which I know she will love to see. Man, when she gets back from the store, I'll have her take a look at that as well. There's also some foreign paper money in it for Rob, which is these 2 bills right here. We've got a Afghanistan bank. Beautiful. As well as, where is this one from? Wow. The Bank of Iraq. So we've got Afghanistan and Iraq currency, along with my bag of goodies and Charlani's bag of goodies. There's also a token for Living Room Panda since he said he didn't have one. He does have lots. He loves to collect them. So he probably doesn't have one like this though. So we'll send it to Living Room Panda for sure. And I hope you like it all. I've also had a small package for giveaways, which is right here, guys. And we'll make this one Shadow Knight package of foreign coins for a giveaway here on the next stream. Looks like a bunch of goodies in really great shape, some foreign coins here. And what year is this one right here? 1967. Holy cow, it's in great shape. Very nice. I think that's 5 wrapping. So, really nice. And what is this? Australia 96. Queen Elizabeth II on there. Beautiful, beautiful coin. Lots of other goodies. I'll put that back in the package. We'll make that a Shadow Knight giveaway package. From your fan and fellow coin collector, Shadow Knight. P.S. You can't catch what you can't see. You got that right, brother. Thank you very much for the goodies for me, for Charlani, for Living Room Panda, and for the community. Next up, I have a surprise package from Coin Group Minnesota, and I don't know what this is, so let's see what it is. Holy cow, Brian, Coin Group Minnesota, guys, check this out. Dear Rob, I heard you were short on walkers. CGOM wants to help you out, and I'm donating some sweet walkers to you to give away to your fans. CGOM loves the coin collecting community, and I want to dig deep in my little silver heart to please the fans. I'm donating 10 walkers from my hoard to help in the live stream giveaways. Guys, Brian at CGOM just donated 10 walking liberties for me to use in my live streams. Holy cow, Brian, you are right. I am always short on walkers. I always have to keep trying to find suppliers for them. And you know what? Thank you so much, brother. That's going to help a lot. Happy birthday. Your present is a Canadian bullion round, courtesy of CGOM as well. Take a look at this. Beautiful Queen Elizabeth II on it. And it even says 2016 Canada 349's fine. Silver 1 1/4 ounce. You gotta love it. Wow. On top of that, he gave me a CGOM sticker, guys. You know the drill. Check out his channel. Look what it even says here. Best recent videos are his metal detecting coin spills 2.0. There's 2 videos of those. And his coins and cars. Guys, you got to check out that series. He goes to junkyards and looks for old coins in old cars. It's awesome. I've watched them all. People will love them. Of course they will. Thank you for all your help, RFT. You're the best. Brian, no. Coin Group Minnesota is the best with this epic, epic, epic help of the live stream and birthday present. Wow. Thanks again, brother. Everyone check him out. You'll love his channel. Next package up is from Perry Barth. So Perry Barth writes, "Hi Rob, here's the quarters I said I would send you. You can keep them or use them for the live stream. I put in 6 air nickels for you and a 44 Belgie and an 07 Balboa for you to keep. Thank you. Love the live streams and the videos. Thank Jeff Smith for me. He is an awesome person. Tell Shalani hi. You and her make the live streams great. Thanks again, Perry Barth." And guys, first and foremost, Jeff Smith, I'm a fan. Perry's a fan. Who wouldn't be a fan of you and your generosity? Thank you very much, Jeff Smith. I will definitely say hi to Shalani Perry as well. And he sent me a whole bunch of 2019 American Memorial Park S quarters, which I can use during my next live stream or a couple live streams because we got so many here. And those will all be from Perry Barth. On top of that, I won't get under the microscope on all of these air nickels, but he sent me some die cracked 2005 Ps, some die chips, die chip on the reverse, and some other die chips on these as well. So I'm not going to get these under the camera and show you all the die cracks and die chips, but Perry, that's awesome. I can't wait to put these in my nickel air collection. Love finding almost uncirculated examples of nickels, let alone when they have die chips or die cracks on them, and especially the bison ones. Take a look at this 1907 Medio Centésimo de Balboa. Love it. Look at this thing. All the way from 1907, and you know I love those Balboas. Beautiful. And then this Belgie, 25 cents. So cool. 1944. A lot of history in that coin as well. Perry, again, thank you for the awesome package. Thank you for the goodies for the live stream. And the kind words of Charlani and to Jeff Smith. Last package is actually a box, and it's from JOB. So, let's see what it is. So my friend JOB writes, "Hey Rob, just wanted to send some goodies, including some silver from some rolls I picked up recently. They're all uncirculated. There's a set for you and 2 for some lucky people of the community. The 63D Lincolns are all red-brown, unfortunately. I took the best 4 of the roll and used Verticare to clean and kept 1 for me and sent the other 3 to you. I've also included some Irish silver for you. The least I can do for you for the knowledge you share on your videos. And I also sent along some tokens for Living Room Panner. If you send them along on your next package you send, I'd appreciate it. I have some YouTube content in the works, but until then, can I get a shout out for my eBay store, JOB's Old Collectibles. That's his eBay store, guys. Check it out. I'd appreciate it, brother. Keep the good videos rolling, JOB. So first and foremost, we've got some tokens for Living Room Panner in here. That's really cool. I will keep it as a surprise for Living Room Panner. He can release that on one of his videos if he wants. So that's another package this week for Living Room Panner. And then there's 3 sets of the exact same. We'll just go with the first one, and I'll cover my Irish silver. He's got a beautiful 63 Philadelphia, a 63 Denver, like he said, it's red-brown, a 64 Philadelphia, and a 64 Denver, it's red-brown. 4 really nice copper memorial cents. Also, for every package is a 1964 out of Denver, silver dime. And then he sent me some Irish silver. So let's take a quick peek and see what it is. Ah, beautiful. Look at this thing. Man. 1928. Wow. Fantastic. Fantastic. And how about this one, the miniature version or the smaller version? Wow. 1939. Gotta love it, brother. Love the sound as well. Irish silver is beautiful. Thank you very much. So I guess I'll keep the first package for me, and these 2 will be on one of my next live streams as giveaway packages from JOB, and of course the package for Living Room Panner as well. Please, guys, check out his eBay store. See what he's got in there. Maybe make a buy if you want to. It's up to you, but definitely check it out for sure. JOB, thank you very much for the package, brother, and the goodies for the community and for Living Room Panner. Well, that's it this time, guys. Sorry I'm a little bit under the weather. We're just fighting off some allergies. I did some metal detecting today. That video will be out here shortly, probably the next couple of days. And it just beat me up. And that's why this video is out late. I've been recovering from my allergies the entire day. Hopefully you still enjoyed the fact that we got the mail call done. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy hunting. And thanks for watching.